Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner strength. It's time to dig deep. Dig deep. You are made of that good stuff. We bend, but we do not break. We go with our flow. No one can tell air where to go with the flow. No one can break your concentration. No one can break you. No. Make sure that you have confidence in yourself because you always win. You're determined for success. Dig deep because that's where the gold is. Nothing moves me from my path of light because I have complete confidence in myself. Don't you? I realize my innate qualities and abilities and my gifts. And I know that with God, I can do anything, which you can. All the power I need is within me. You just have to trust and believe in yourself. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself.